Due to the unprecedented coronavirus outbreak that has swept across the country, the May 2020 Police and Crime Commissioner elections were postponed and are now set to take place in May 2021. This means that my time as your Police and Crime Commissioner has been extended, and whilst it's clear that business cannot continue as usual in this time, I will ensure that both my office and the force continue to work hard to deliver the police service you require. Whilst the priorities in my police and crime plan remain unchanged, looking ahead, my focus until the end of this term will be on ensuring there are sufficient resources to respond to and recover from the COVID-19 emergency. I will also ensure that the police response to all issues is ethical, necessary and proportionate. I will continue to facilitate effective working within community safety and criminal justice teams, as well as commissioning services and providing grants for policing and crime reduction purposes. With this in mind, there will be a project group set up, including representatives from my office, the force and partner agencies, who will be working to implement a whole series of improvements to the services that victims receive. I'll also be focusing on making sure residents have the information they need to understand how their service is performing, just like this video. Finally, I want to give you some detail about something I'm especially proud of. Back in February, I announced my investment in a new approach to community funding called participatory budgeting. Participatory budgeting is a way of giving communities a greater say in how money is spent in their local area. During the next financial year, each of our 14 neighbourhood policing teams will receive £10,000 to be spent within the communities they serve. And most importantly, you and your communities will be key decision makers in how this money is spent. Police officers from the neighbourhood policing teams will be working closely with the public to enable you to make important decisions on how this money is spent in your area. I'm incredibly proud to be your Police and Crime Commissioner and of all the work we've done together since 2016. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
To view all of our annual report videos and to read the Commissioner's report in full, please go to our website.